Hey LEGO fans, today I'm going to look at LEGO Wednesday set number 76784, that is the Black Dahlia flower. This set is based on the Wednesday show from Netflix. I am not a huge fan of the LEGO Wednesday theme, but because this set reminds me of the Botanicals theme with the nice flowers, I picked it up and wanted to build it. So in this video you'll see a speed build. I'll open up the box and we'll do a little speed build. And then at the end I'll give you some thoughts, and stick around until then and let me know what you think. Thanks. And there is the Black Dahlia flower. So this build was pretty cool actually. I enjoyed the window effect of the vase, and then the locking mechanism that was designed, and you keep the flower in there to lock the vase. It does open so that you can have some play features inside with the mini dolls, and you'll see right here I'll unlock it. And you can see inside it's kind of the botanical classroom with Wednesday and her teacher. There's a couple things. They come out of those little spots right there, so you can take out the mini dolls and the mini play sets, and you can play with them on the outside. I flip it over here, you can see the flower itself. I think the flower is really cool. There's like 4 layers of petals that are in there. I'll show you that in a bit. But again, the windows are nice. It has that purple and clear alternating effect. The flower itself, I think, was one of my favorite parts, other than the stickers. The stickers are a little challenging for me. I like to take my time to be able to put those on right, but I think it looks great once it's completed. So you can see closely that there's stickers on the outside, the bottom layer, I guess. But the new pieces that are nice, the purple translucent pieces on the flower look really good against the black. The vase itself, again, has had that black and clear and the purple color scheme. So I think it looks great overall. I think this would look really nice next to all the botanical flowers. It's kind of like the odd one out, but that's Wednesday, I think, right? That's who Wednesday is. So she kind of fits alongside those other botanical flower sets, and it's the one that stands out. Could be also like the one that becomes the talking piece for those that have a collection. And again, this one can also just sit on its own, can be a great display piece on its own, and probably great for the Wednesday collection for the fans. Just for me itself, I just like the flower set itself because again it falls in line with the Botanicals theme. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below if you like this set, if you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe, and I'll continue to make more videos for you guys. Thanks.